Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by restarting the phone to reset transient errors. This often clears background locks. Once done, go to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store and tap Storage. You clear the cache first to remove temporary files that can trigger the Try Again loop. Make sure to repeat the same cache clear on Google Play Services and Download Manager because Play relies on them. This sequence addresses most simple sync and file corruption causes before moving to account or network fixes. Next, you tackle account and network variables that commonly block Play Store operations. First, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios. Test a download immediately. If that fails, remove your Google account from the device, reboot, and re-add it to refresh tokens and permissions. Also switch networks, try mobile data, another Wi-Fi band, or a hotspot, since DNS or router settings can cause the error. These steps resolve authentication and connectivity issues that cache clearing can't fix. To finish, ensure the Play Store and Play services are updated. If the store won't update normally, sideload the latest APK from a trusted source to replace a corrupted binary. If problems persist, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to the factory version or perform a network settings reset to clear misconfigured DNS or proxies. As a final measure, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If it still fails, one key tip: test another Google account to determine whether the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.